Hey, what is a party without cartel music? And that me say, I said what I said. Okay?
A few moments later.
Listen, I Gaza till death, and that me say. Yeah, Alkaline released some really nice music and him do it, but that was disrespect. You could make that slide. You get what I mean?
2,000 years later.
Alkaline collaboration is out the window.
And honestly, Alkaline, I don't know, man. I'm alright.
One eternity later.
He's a good artist, but I wouldn't collab with him. I mean, he wouldn't want to collab with me neither. I said so before the 8 of them said so.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
And say my code them say them nah say Alkaline. That's why I'm so exclusive. You know, see cartel neither. So what you try to say? Yeah.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
My guy is behind bars and still repping the freaking street. What does that mean?
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, one Media Fox money up, you know. So people, I have to take on down memory lane. And we in 2026, and the same people who they have mouth is like them not have it again. You see me? And Alkaline always say this line. All what try this, so last. All what try this way so last. You understand? And it even show you how that's why you see there's not a lot of female dancehall artists dominating the space. Because the mentality where them have, it kinda distract them and demotivate them. You understand? From putting in the work and reaching to the top. So people wanting to tune into that video. You see me? And it's a very video for show you why a lot of artists lead down the wrong path. You understand? But listen, people.
There are different parties with Jada, the Alkaline party. Why get yourself involved in that?
What do you mean, why get myself involved? I'm a fan. Just look at me, the artist, I'm not supposed to comment? What does that mean? Hey, what is a party without cartel music? And that me say, I said what I said. And what? What's the word?
So, you see the hype. You see when you get the highlight and the attention, the hype get to you. Yeah, man, the ego gone sky high. Seeing? But down at the video, you're going to realize when all of the hype gone and the fame gone, it show you true potential. If you really want to do this, or you do it for the hype. You understand? So basically what she talk, I think the thing with Mataran and Alkaline, when Alkaline say, yo Mataran, I should do. This is my birthday party and you play a song for this me and one bag of thing. So she take it up and fear her head now. I say, yo, what this, yo? Alkaline, a this cartel and one bag of something. See? Knowing say, if cartel have theme birthday party and then play one Alkaline with this cartel, we know what would happen. But she take up that pan her head now, cause you don't know, she run on the hype and a bag of this and bag of that, which she rate Alkaline, but I guess, you know, Alkaline not sure the attention they are, you know, she not get away. Cause Alkaline always say this, you know, if him sit down and chat up with them, he would have be them favorite. You see me? But look what go on.
Everybody just jump on you immediately.
Yeah, what does that even mean?
That you're not supposed to say it.
People have told me, oh, you love talking about, you don't even know where I'm from. You don't know me. What does that mean? You know, just relax. You know what I mean? Yeah, Sally, relax. But yeah, listen, I Gaza till death, and that must say, yeah, Alkaline released some really nice music and I do it, but that was disrespect. You gotta make that slide. You get what I mean? At the end of the day, yeah, if I'm at my party or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Or even, and I listen to the video over and over and over, and I don't hear cartel playing in the background.
So I guess him cut it when him
Maybe.
move on to Nick.
So what she try to say, what Alkaline do is disrespect him, should I make that slide. So the youth for them party and people, remember, you know, this is not a event where everybody a go. This is Alkaline party, birthday party. So you want the man to play a song for disrespect him for theme birthday. And it's a disrespect. You understand? But me know say if I the cartel and them play a song with Alkaline and diss him, you would have say, yo, I disrespect them, I disrespect cartel. But you're Alkaline now. Oh, Alkaline for sure respect and all of them something there. You see me? But two in people.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Him put just boom. Don't play that. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah, pussy for that.
I should go pee now.
So this is the video where she talk about. You understand? So see her there. This is when I don't think she did get the break yet. She and Alkaline this. You understand? It show you in her life, like, you see sometimes when some people talk, it's like sometimes them rate, you know, but you not give them the attention there. Yeah, man. But see there, big fan. Them time there. She a smile every little thing, you know, but she them time that she did bust and get the break, hype thing, this, that, way. She can diss Alkaline now and yeah, she go get the defend by the Gaza people, them are one bag of thing. You see me, but wait man, life, that's what I tell you, you know, when reality hit, we're not gonna understand. But listen people, you see me?
But you know what I mean? You never had to be like that. Like, yo, yeah, this and that for that and whatever. Right now, I saw Tony what I should have said when him done. The way I'm sure them shrink. The way I'm up.
I'm sorry,
I
man.
swear, like, what all of that
So
never
then
necessary.
it's safe to say that Alkaline collaboration is out the window.
And honestly,
Listen to what she say now, because she kinda in her feelings.
Alkaline, I don't know, man. Am I right? You know? I never did they not all people go through the window or something. I mean, he's a good artist, but I wouldn't collab with him. I mean, I wouldn't want to collab with me neither. I said so before the 8 of them said so. Yeah, me say that.
Wow.
So that's how it is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And Evil Cartel, I don't know, whatever it is, not running a collab from Cartel either. But him are the man and that me say. Yeah. There's no party without Vibes Cartel. If no Vibes Cartel not play them, you not go there, what other music I go play?
No, you can't.
You see, and what she not understand it, that's why I tell her, say some people just love, you know, them time that them never like the fight with Alkaline. So it's like she want jump on the fight train there. So she feel like say it was just a party where you can go in a one club or where not knowing say this is Alkaline birthday party. This is a private thing. You understand? And it's supposed to be all about him. You see what I try to say? I know when Cartel keep feeling birthday party, them not playing the Alkaline for this him. You understand? Them not play that. You see it? But it show you when them see the hype and I run with it. Yeah, and it just make them look like somebody with not a sense. You see it? Yeah, man.
Fuse boy age now. Of course, your age, I said that. You're 26. You're
What
right.
does that mean? No, for real. I mean, him have dope music. Him have dope music, but when you really check the history, which
Look here now. This is the hyping up now, no? Yeah, man, this is the hyping up now. Cause look here, she want to gain the Gaza strength, you know, no? So she have to straighten up the thing, you know, and make some top talk. You understand? Listen.
other artists, you know, like over how many years, and he still at no. What him not got at? That makes sense?
Sure.
My guy is behind bars and still repping the freaking street. What does that mean? You know what I mean? And him and say my code them say them nah say Alkaline. That's why I'm so exclusive. You not see Cartel need. That's what I try to say. Yeah. So
See it? You see when the hype get to your brain, she just say a while ago say them nah say Alkaline, which them say I'm exclusive, and nah say Cartel. But that's two different things. Cartel be in a prison, so you're not gonna see him. That means say it's like him want to do it. Like Alkaline exclusive because him choose to. Vice Cartel exclusive because him never chooses because him dey behind bars. You understand? Him put himself there so. But Alkaline no dey behind bars, so him have option if him want be exclusive or not. So that a difference. You see me? You see it? Vice Cartel out their road now. Vice Cartel not exclusive. Him dey on the media every day, all of them look a thing. They are film thing. Everything him post up, everything. You see me? Alkaline, him still move the same way when Cartel they are prison. Exclusive. Only time you see him when him do shows and he might forward out and do a music video or something. You understand? Yeah, but you see because them just get the break in a dancehall them time and she, Jada, it's like the hype, get to her. You see me? So she just run with something. But never know say down the end when the hype they run out, reality go hit.
him a just a boss and that me say so. Yeah. Run come on this and come viral la video for me. That's all I'm Let's come get the hate. They're gonna come. I'm used to it, you know.
And so
You get what I mean?
you realize how you build up your defense that much, where you realize that you just do anything and whoever it cares, whatever happens, you don't really care.
Twinkle do what you want to, honestly. So my Vanessa doing you call her name. I can
Alright, so this is when the hype run out, no more attention, nothing, everything else I do go down. The hypeness, it kinda do go down and she not get the attention then no more and all of these things. See? But listen what she gonna say.
not expose who I'm going to collab with. It just don't make sense. It's gonna just ruin everything. I don't want to not think about what the song would sound like. None of that shit. When the song drop, it does drop. I want to say, Ross, them collab. I never done them collab with that person. But just me, like, let's on the music, yeah, man. Let's stop asking about music, man. Stop asking about myself. Stop asking about all of that. Let's talk about something else.
And yes, we may talk about people. She's an artist, right? And she maybe not in the hype talking no more. It's like she had tell the people, which is our fans, to stop ask her about music. You see what I try to tell the people? She want her fans to stop ask her about music. But how did your fans get to know you? Is your music. So the confidence drop when the hype drop. You understand? You see what I try to tell the people? Sometimes when you see some people run out and start say something, and then down the line, when you see the reason why them just drop out, because it was all about the hype and fame for them. It wasn't about the greatness and the, the music. You see me? But she just tell the people a while ago, say, yo, she don't want to hear about nothing about no music, stop asking about music and all of them little thing there. It's very sad. That's why I try to show you. That's why it's enough of these artists just drop off a farm. You see me? But listen what you say.
Let me know me I go New Year's. Come if I go New Year's.
So this video now, people, and the reason why I even do this video, I want to show you how like enough of these artists, how them doing music. It's not about doing music and focus on your branding and all of these things. It's about the hype and where you can run with. And once you get your first breakout in the game, you use that, you get hype, you start this. But you see when all of the hype gone and the attention leave you, what you gonna do if you continue to stay relevant in the music, in the dancehall? And that, you understand? Because your first year when you broke out, you get the run, bam, bam. But when the hype gone, what you gonna do? And this happened to she. You understand? Because she get the look of hype and she get the look of breakthrough. But when everything gone now, confidence drop, she don't want to do music no more. So this is one of the video where it's like she give up on music because she not get the attention no more. You see me? But look, you listen what she say.
People just spoil the journey for me, which is cool. I'm not tripping over it. Still gonna drop music. Definitely still gonna drop music. Don't say that. Why the fuck shouldn't I say that when that is the fucking facts? If you love music so much, you go do it. You go deal with it. You go deal with these groups from. You go fucking deal with it. What the fuck you gonna tell me or me? Still I love her and I have love her.
So it's like, it look like it's a fan asks her about the music. Says like she had tell the fans, say, yo, why you not go do music and all of them little thing there. And you see the attitude and everything because she not getting that attention. Seem like when she usually up on the fix a while ago. Everything drop. So her confidence drop. Do you understand? And she maybe put out music, but through the hype and she not get that traction there no more. Yes, the confidence, she lose half of the music thing. You see me? But if you do music, you're doing music. If a hype you want, hype you go get, but the hype thing have an expiry date. Music don't have an expiry date. And when you pass and gone, your music still have to play. You understand? So the main focus is doing music, not running down hype. You see me?
What do you mean by? We still have to go into the song them, I can drop them. Listen to them, cool.
So this is the next video now, people. But just carry on down the line for making us see why, especially the female artists them, how them you not see much really dominating a dancehall because them watch each other and when them see somebody else put out something and it not go good or them not getting a hype off it, them in themselves, I say, yo, me not want to end up like this. Which not because them feel means that you are gonna feel. You understand? But this is a video where one of our fans asks her, say, yo, you need to start put out some music and stop playing games. You understand? Because she play games. Because remember, fans are watching. So I something with the fans see and she say, yo, you need to focus on the music and stop play the game thing. But you see true because she kind of lose off of the music base. The hype not there on it again for she kind of try play the game because some of these female dancehall artists, them love the attention more than the attention for music. You understand? Them love the attention for them than the attention for the music with them do. You see me? And that's why them fall off a track. But listen, people.
I dropped the EP called Just a Girl in the Money Man's World. It's doing great numbers right now. You should try to go check that out. And that was January of 2026. And then February 13th, I believe, I dropped another project named New Religion. I'm sure you've seen it on my page. I've been promoting that and stuff. So I really hope you guys seen that and know about that, right? And as I said just now, March, I have some features coming up and I have to shoot some videos for the songs that I dropped. Okay. So when you say stop the music, it kind of threw me off.
And she really getting her feelings, that's all. You understand? Because the person asks her about the music, what the music they can play a game. She's like, she say, yo, you ask me about music, it kind of threw me off. You understand? Because she don't understand that, you know. Whatever you display to the fans, like regularly, that's what they're going to really tune into. So if you're up on the game 24/7 or a few, you might take a 1 hour and do music. Them not gonna really play the music because them see up on the media every day play a game. You understand? You shift the fans to listen. You wanna play a game, it's not music. So that's why if you make the fans them move away from your music and start watching you go Ray and live, and people will rate you for music, they might just stop listening to your music or stop really meds you. They might disappointed in you. You see me? So that's why when you put out a project and all of them somewhere, like them not meds it because they must say I do a different thing. You see me? You're not focused.
Because no, I don't stop the music. Let me tell you something how life is, right? Two things can exist at once, right? Like example, if I'm not recording and I'm not doing music stuff, you understand? This is another hobby of mine that I do. I've been gaming.
But what you're not understanding here, yes, you can play a game, but you have to understand, say, you're an artist, you're a celebrity, people know you. Yes, if you did not play the game while nobody seeing you, you understand? That is the difference. You play that privately, but you're there on live and you know the music. The people might call it out and say, yo, you play a game every day and you know the music. It's not like them not see you none at all. They must see you. You understand? But she not understand what the fan say.
For 8 years, almost 9 years now. I've been gaming for 9 years now, right? It's not news. It's news to y'all because y'all are just discovering this side of me. Okay? Bro, should I take the time?
So look here now, people. This is our next, what I call it, the hype run out, lose confidence in the music. And this is it. This clip going to show you how a lot of these female artists really watch each other and what them do. And it kind of make them lose confidence in themselves as well. When the hype run out and them watch each other and hear what other people say, which not because that person feel as me say you are going to feel. Yeah, and just you have to follow with something different and promote your thing. And but I don't know. I don't know if them really, really love the music or them love the hype around the music. You see me? But listen what she say.
It's my time. Can I talk about one album? Drop album for the flop? Drop album for the flop? What you mean by? What me I rush for the album for? After I see one do my co-worker them, I want to support them with the single and I them drop the album. Look at the sales. She think she not about to now. Look at me.
And you hear how she express herself. So your fans asking you about album. But you're not listening to what the fans say. You're listening to what the other female artists doing and what happened to them. You see what I try to talk about people? She a watch where people say about the other females them, although her fans are asking her about album. She say she don't want to drop the album and it flop. Confidence drop. You understand? But listen what she say.
Mima. Crazy. You must wake up crazy. You wake up crazy this morning. So I'm going to kill you with single to you. I want to kill you with one song. And EP. You're crazy. Unless one real, somewhere a groundbreaking track that really make the charts. I really do a certain thing. We can say, yeah, man, can't follow the album or so already. You don't know rush. I'm not going to stop. You don't know rush for the. I know this already. Call up in a big rapper phone and say, watch there. She really want Fred out now.
Yes, what I'm trying to tell you. And this is what I realize. A lot of these artists cannot lead. They follow. It's like they let their fans lead them. Otherwise, I them feel lead them fans. You understand? Because in her mind, she thinks, yo, where the people them are going to say, or where her fans are going to say, it better you do it or you see it than you don't do it. And then you did there wonder and say, yo, Jano, because you don't know what will happen if you drop it. Maybe something good will come out of it. But for sure, you say, she look and say, all right, let me drop a song on it, the Ray, and maybe she can drop. But what's the difference? You say you drop EP not far away from an album. You understand? It still plays on the album same way. You see me? But just because the hype, maybe now got there on the album, maybe she don't want to drop it. You understand? But them not pre the music, them pre the hype. Because she say, yo, maybe if she get a breakout song, she can maybe think about album. You understand? And that's how it go. You see it? But listen to her.
So that one, that is I'm doing my thing. I make them come up. I make them come up.
I call Cartel,
Twinkle do what you want, though. People know that.
When you first got the hit, was it overwhelming?
I've been I get hit from my band.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, always. Like, it's just how it is, because they don't know me. But end of the day, they know my love. They don't like me, but they love my song. Big up on yourself. I mean,
watch it.
what I mean? Right now, if you watch the video, you know about a dislike, because you just watching the video is just a good thing. You know what I mean?
So you know why she said, if you don't rate the song, you rate the video. You know why? Because in the video, she kind of half naked. So that's why I try to show you. Say, these female artists love them attention. Them love the attention for them appearance, but not their music. You understand? That's the thing. So once the appearance, like the attention of the appearance gone, them feel like say, yo, I can't stop the music, it don't make no sense, it don't make sense, I jam the album, all of these things. Yeah, that's how them breathe.
So yeah, so it's like I take all of that does make me get tick. I just know self-love. Yeah, I love myself. But people say, oh yes, that most of the hate I get off a man.
Wow.
Yeah, most of the
You
hate.
say that too, like she really like when people who hate on her are the males, men.
Yeah, mostly man like, oh you have to hate for not trying female.
People, she said, remember what she just said? She said most of the people who hate her is man. Like really, man. But listen down the line because she'll contradict herself.
I'm a 19-year-old. What are you saying? So at the end of the day, I'm just put it out there because every woman I sit down and them she say, yo, most of the boys something so Jada do it for you. So go watch the video and share it and sing. So I'm gonna more bad song come and I say, I can't tell you now. So nobody come feel like saying no bad song but a bad song. Sometimes I hear some because yeah, I'm not just on one genre, like you know, I'm gonna explore. You know, music nice. Music too nice for us to sit down and that. You know?
I say you're a dancer.
Yeah. I am a dancer artist, but at the end of the day, like my topics are so different. You know what I mean?
And it's funny, it's not taking away anybody's man.
Yeah, it's not a level there.
And you're down for doing a woman collaboration, something.
Alright, we're not artists.
Listen, you know, and the attitude even changed. So they might ask her about the collaboration with the other female artists. That's what I try to show you. Listen, people.
Years. No, ask Spice. No, ask everybody. It's Spice and Angel do no one day. Well, you know what I mean? No matter about everybody. One hour to ask for that.
Because there's I guess a notion and a belief that women don't really want to.
I get the truth. Because
she should doubt herself, you know. She said it now go happen and she never yet try. She don't confident in herself. Because a few videos is like this the video when I watch now, this was when to just get the breakout. But the video them look them them video was after. So you can see she lack of confidence. You see me? Yeah.
that's the truth. Because in a look about interview, I say, yeah man, of course I'm down for that because that's what they're supposed to say. It sounds pretty. But me I say if they're ready, but I'm not gonna be the one to say, yeah, of course, we're not collab. When I know say deep down the person there feel like so them dip on a 10 and me dip on a 3. Whenever they're forward. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just not on that. At the end of the day, people just like talk about, oh, unity, because it sounds pretty for talk about. You know what I mean? And then background, I'm like, oh, you know, blah, 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 because I'm mostly woman fight woman. That's why we have to run go to the man them and do what we have to do for to get music played or whatever, because our own. Yeah, you know what I mean?
People, so me I try to talk about when you're confused. She just said the man fight her the most. Then she say, yo, the woman them like her or whatever, but she have to run to the man them. But you just said the man them hate the most. So how now you have to run to the man them? So me I try to talk about people. It's like them not understand what they must say. You see, because at the end of the day, most a producer. So I don't know what you're talking about. Most of your song them when you release is a man produce them. You see me? Yeah, so to me, if you talk about the female them, we see say in a dancehall, female hardly do collaborations. Because we don't watch each other. And he go so high, we don't feel like say, alright, I'm on the left, I'm have to ask that girl artist for nothing. We don't watch each other. You understand? And that's the problem.
You know, I want to show me and everything because enough time I tell you. I've spoken to a female artist before, one of the veteran them and whatever, and she basically just say, oh, you know, much things we share in the studio and whatever, that's why you know she don't really talk to nobody. Yeah, the industry like that and blah blah blah. And she talks to me and say, you know, she like my direction and so on and so on. And I say, yeah man, big up and whatever, blah blah. She asks me if, you know, if I ever think about it. People say, oh, she have to know her, know me now?
What was that?
You know me now? One video when I say, yo, we a star. Everybody come and say, oh, you wouldn't even know it. Okay? I told you.
You see it now? You saw the drive, the anger when she get the break. But you realize the clip them when just play, she that talk soft, calmer, everything. That's when the reality hit and the hype gone and all of them look or something. Yeah man. So you saw she talk strong when she just get the break. Yeah, man, I saw it go.
I told you, and this is just the beginning. Man, about step, but mega reach. You don't know. That's how it is. Me iron balloon, yeah. That them say.
Balloon.
Yes, people, but I just want to show you how, you know, people pre certain things and how, you know, more while them say something and, you know, that's what I'm tell you, say, yo, you see all of the artists them who this Alkaline for no reason. You understand? And because them a follow agenda, it's like few time down the line, it's like you wonder where is their career. You understand? Because look here now, seem like what the fixed acts are, why that get there, why you take up that by your brain, say, yo, the thing with Alkaline and party and every little thing. You should have focus and do your music. You understand? That are the thing. Do your music, but you prefer focus on somebody because you want to get the hype. Because once you say, yo, you call out Alkaline and this Alkaline, yeah, you feel like you try to get the little Gaza thing and yeah, but look at it now. The Gaza give you the strength. Nothing no there for you. You have to go find your own space right now. I don't know if you do music no more or what. But that's how I try to show you people. Sometimes when you just focus on music and stop focus on unnecessary thing and stop running the hype. And once that gone, that's it. You understand? So focus on something where I gonna be essential, where I will continue to make you reach to the top. You see me? But people, you don't know I want me to fuck. Speak up yourself. Respect for the support. That is it.